Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Tilda website builder review to see with what you're using. So let's get started. Tilda is a website builder that makes creating beautiful professional websites easy without handling to code. It offers more than 500 ready-made blocks, so you can quickly build landing page, portfolios, blogs, or even online stores. For those who want full creative freedom, its zero block editors lets you customize your every details, giving you complete control over designs. It's beginner friendly, affordable, and comes with features like responsive layout and SEO tools to help your site looks good and perform well across all devices. On the flip side, Tilda isn't perfect. Some users find it like blogging and e-commerce tools less advanced compared to platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Integrations can feel limited, and a few user reports slower customer reports or occasional issues when managing more complex websites. While it shines for design-focused projects, it may not be the best fit if you need a powerful back-end or advanced store management. So in my opinion, the app's still worth using if you want a simple, creative way to build stunning websites without coding, but not ideal if you're looking for advanced e-commerce features or expect highly responsive support. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.